Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. And today we are going to be making black-eyed peas. Yes! And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes the easy and simple way, subscribe so that you won't miss any of my videos and tap that bell so you'll always get notified. We're going to get started right now. Okay guys, let's dive right in. This is going to be a really quick and simple way to make some black-eyed peas. Great for a weeknight if you're in a hurry. First thing I'm going to do is chop up some onion and garlic. Now, you don't have to put the onion and garlic in, but I like it. It gives it a lot of body and taste and flavor. You can also substitute the actual garlic and onion for onion powder and garlic powder. But I like to have that texture included. So I'm just going to chop up my onions, got those all done, and next to garlic. I had about 2 slices of onion that I just chopped up, and I'm chopping up about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. Again, you don't have to put that much in there. I'm only making enough peas for a couple of servings. So this is just a small pot. If I was going to be doing a larger pot, I'd have a lot more onion and a lot more garlic. I don't need to saute them first. They're going to go right in the pot. All right, guys. Now we can get over to our stove. Yes. And guys, this is just a really simple, quick dish. And I'm actually using canned black-eyed peas, which I don't do a lot. But you know, having canned food and knowing what to do with it is always good. It's a survival technique. Everybody should have a few canned goods in their house. I don't like them on a regular basis, but it's quick for a weeknight. And like I said, it is survival. Okay, so I'm adding my onion and my garlic into my pot, and I'm going to give it a quick stir. And guys, with all the natural disasters and things going on, your canned goods will last forever, and you should always have at least 3 days supply of things that you don't need. You can actually eat these right out of the can. So now I'm going to add some bacon pieces, probably about 2 tablespoons is what I'm putting in my little cup here. Just want to add those. These are real bacon pieces, so you can always fry up some bacon and crumble that up too. But again, we're making this quick and easy. The whole dish is only going to take about 15 minutes from start to end. Now guys, I like my black-eyed peas kind of spicy, so I'm going to put in about a whole tablespoon of red pepper flakes. Again, if you don't like that heat, because these will be super spicy, a tablespoon of red pepper flakes is a lot for spice. So you can just put a couple of pieces in. You can omit it out of the way if you don't want the heat. Okay guys, and we just let that simmer for about 15 minutes, and guess what? We're done. So now I'm filling up my bowl with the black-eyed peas. They've simmered with the onion and garlic and red pepper flakes. Yes, yummy. Okay guys, we are all done. Gonna top it with just a few green onions. And that's it guys. Here's our black-eyed peas. Yes. And if you all like these how-to videos with instructions and the recipes and the step-by-step, please consider supporting me over on Patreon. I have the link in the description as well as right here. And I love hearing from you all, hearing your thoughts about what I'm cooking, so please leave me some comments. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And don't forget to subscribe. And always tap the bell so you'll know when I upload my next video and you'll get notified. Thank you guys so much once again for coming and hanging out with me and cooking with me today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.